Oh, look at that.
We are waiting for our ride. We're headed to the floating market, the railway, coconut plantation, and a temple and a tree temple.
What's a tree temple? I want to try a new fruit. Last time we went to the train station that was really close to us. I tried a new fruit, two new fruits, and they were really good.
Yeah, so we are just waiting on our van to get here, and I think it's a 2-hour ride to the first place, which is like the floating markets. Oh, hello. Yes. All right. Okay, our ride's here now. Let's go. We are in the van and we're heading to the train first, right? Yep. So he says we're gonna ride on the train? He said no air conditioning, but it's only like 30 minutes. But yeah. That sounds awesome. About 1 hour in now, I think. I think it's about 2 hours away, so maybe like an hour and 15 minutes or so. Ready?
Yeah.
Good. Whoa, look at that. All right, we just got on the train, and I think he said it was like 30 minutes. We're all the way in the back, and we're gonna go actually through the market, and he said we can go stand out on the back when we go through the market. So that'll be awesome. Where are we?
We're on a tree.
All these fields are salt plants. They pump the salt water in from the sea. And I guess it's probably like evaporating fields. Which is really raining right now, so they're not harvesting. I think we're getting ready to go through the market, and maybe we can go after that? I don't know. Going good. This is awesome. is amazing. Okay, that was awesome. Definitely a cool view. This is awesome. This is so much fun.
It's a butcher. It's gas. Gas of pork.
Pork?
Yeah, the pork butcher stove.
Okay.
See the crabs?
Mini Daddy.
Yeah. So we're heading through the market right now, and this is the fish and seafood, and it's one of the more pleasant smelling seafood markets I've ever been in, so that's nice.
Wow.
Oh, smell.
It's very fishy.
The picture in fish sauce. The palm oil. Mostly sellers they stay in the market.
You like it? Coconut pancake?
Okay.
Pretty good. Cool. They had me sit down, help put in the thing. Okay, so that was the train market, and they had me help pull in the one of the umbrellas. There goes our guide's mom and dad. That was cool. So we've been using these guys, this company, for airport transfers, things like that, since we've really got to Thailand, like months ago. We use them all the time. Anyway, they do tours as well, so we signed up for one of those for today. It's been pretty awesome so far. We're having a great time. So, Linds will leave a link in the description below, but definitely check them out. Here, give this to Cora so she can have a drink. We're at the Dam Nan Sodawak floating market, and we've got a boat that's going to take us around for about an hour and just check out some of the stalls and things like that. Then I think we're going to go get lunch and maybe a temple after that.
So let's go get on the boat. Okay, so we are on the floating market now, and this is really cool. It feels great. The sun's not out. It's not beating down on us, but there's all these like food boats and things like that. Like this lady's selling spring rolls that look amazing. So he said it's about an hour long, and I think we'll go up and down a couple of different canals, maybe just this one, and maybe we'll get something to eat. I don't know.
It's interesting, isn't it? Like, this boat is a lot smaller than the last one we were on.
So we're about to go under this bridge up here, and it just looks like absolute madness. There's so many boats. Made it through that traffic jam. Now, as is with most of these things like this, it's very, very touristy. And the only market shop things are really like chintzy tourist stuff. So take it the way you want it. It's fun. It's a neat thing to do, but it's not a very authentic experience in my opinion. We're having fun. So he pulled us over to this cart because that's what we're doing, I guess. Oh. Just rather just go up and down the canal, really, look at things. I don't need to stop anywhere, especially at that. Oh. That's the way it is.
Alright.
Love can be a ship, a ship, a ship. Love can be a stone, a stone, a stone. Love can be a sail, a sail, a sail, taking me to shore, to shore, to shore. Love can be a dream, a dream, a dream. Love can be a game, a game, a game. Love can keep you real, so real, so real, or driving you insane. It's my creation. Play and create, nothing's too safe. Play and create. Oh, it's my creation. Play and create.
Okay, it's time to get some refreshments. Right there on the wall. Girls are getting a Fanta. I think we're gonna get some beers.
And what do you want then?
I'll have a beer if you want one.
Yeah. Yes, please.
Yeah, beers. Okay, that was 320. I thought she said 370. So 2 small beers, 2 Fantas, and what did Harper get?
A Gatorade.
And a Gatorade for 320.
Here, will you hold this one?
It's like $9 or $10. That's pretty expensive. Beers, heck yeah.
Nothing's too safe. Play and create. It's my creation.
That was so stressful. I did not like that at all.
Yeah.
One, the boat was really small. It's kind of terrifying with the kids. At least 2 of ours definitely can swim, but still. And then 2, so many people just wanted to sell us everything.
I mean, it is a market.
I know, but like,
Yeah, I know.
I don't know. It's just
It's all the same
frustrating.
stuff, though.
It is, yeah,
And it's like once you've seen it at one stall, you've seen it.
yeah. But the beers helped.
The beers did help. Beers usually help.
Yes.
All right.
Fire, bringing me this tune. Well, it's my creation. Land creates, nothing's to say. Land creates. Ooh, it's my creation.
Okay, so this is like the vantage point up here. It's kind of cool. It's fun. I think we're going to go to the other side of the market now, where we're going to be able to see some other floating markets. I think that's where they actually have the boats on the water that are the market, and you walk on the side. So I think we're going to check that out. And then I think we have one more thing today, and that is the hidden tree temple. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but the girls are getting really hungry, so they're getting really cranky. So we're going to need to find some food pretty soon. Overall, it's been a good tour. I don't know about the floating market though. Might skip that one. But great tour, great company, great guides. Just because we didn't like the floating market, that's on us. All right, let's go to the other side here. Harper, making you feel better? Good. Okay, so now we're on top of that bridge where we were earlier. Where all those boats were like trying to cram through. Okay, so this is just like the other side of the bridge. And we came down this way, so I think it's pretty much the same place we just were. But now we're on the side instead of in the water. So that's the Dam Nen Sotawak Market, about 2 hours south of Bangkok right now. And it was a lot of fun. On to the next place? Where's next? Lunch. All right, let's go get lunch.
Just one place. About half an hour.
I want to say thank you again for
Hi. So we are at some temple. And I didn't know there were going to be pinned animals here. But they're here. And this is part of it. We're contributing by feeding them.
He wants to eat you.
Okay, so that was some weird headings thing. It just got insane. There's about 1 million kids here now. I don't know what we're doing. Oh. It's a hidden temple. It's in a tree. It's covered by a tree. There's a Buddha in there. Can't take any pictures, but there's a Buddha in there. And they're putting gold leaf on it and praying for success in business or lottery, something similar. Okay, I think we're here for lunch. It's on the river. This is pretty. We are back in the van. We just ate an amazing lunch. And now we have about 2 hours to get back to Bangkok. So, I think we're just gonna relax. We'll see y'all later. Bye.